Is Mohammad Hamza. Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor's in electronics and communication. I am in the 7th sem. From the next month, my sem will be started. So, I just got admission in the 2017. I just came here in the IC college for my BTech, and there I found so many opportunity to explore myself and the surrounding things, which helped me to enhance my career. The faculty in IC college is very supportive. They just provide regular PDP sessions for us so that we can perform good in our placement cells in the placement ranks, which will be organized on the regular basis from the first year. When I just come in the third year, Mr. Sharid Maheshwari, our TPO, has organized so many PDP sessions for us on every weekends. Companies like Barclays came here to give us the PDP session, which जिन्होंने हमें ये बताया so that how can we sit in an interview, how to deliver the interview, how to what we have to say in the interview. हमारे यहाँ पे कई सारी companies आती हैं like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini. So many placement drives are held in the IC college in 2021 so that we can get placed in the right company. Or in the month of November, I got a chance to sit in a drive, in the Purple Group drive, which I got placed. और अभी मेरा graduation complete भी नहीं हुआ है. I'm in the beginning of the 8th semester and I just joined the company at a package of 4 lakh per annum. So I just want to give you a message that work hard, stay focused, work on your aptitude skills, because aptitude skills is the most important thing to get into the company, and the college is on the regular basis organizing the classes so that way you can get to know or that how to conduct the aptitude, how to pass it on. So just stay focused, cop up with the college, try to come up with the new ideas, and IC college also provides you the platform where you can showcase your skills in terms of entrepreneurship, and many startups are going on in our college like Crowblaze. So just there is a platform, it is a very great platform where you can upscale your skills and showcase who you are.